If you're looking for a way to edit your PDF file straight from your PC, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, when you install Windows on your PC, you get a built-in PDF editor on Microsoft Edge. For example, here, if I have a sample PDF and I double-click it just like that, it'll take me immediately to Microsoft Edge. Now, on Microsoft Edge, I can edit this however one I like. For example, I can draw on it if I want, and I can also add text to it if I like as well. So if I add text here, and I want to add a text, this is edited just like that, right? And I want to reposition it up here just so everyone knows that this is an edited PDF file, right? So this is what I can do with Microsoft Edge. I can edit it like this. I can draw on it. I can add new things onto it. But when you hear the word edit, you might think that you can change what the text says on the PDF, right? Now, you need to understand how a PDF actually works. It's not something that's editable, and it's sort of like an actual paper that's printed that's on virtual form, right? So this think of this as something that's already printed, right? But there is a way to get around this. So if I want to go to sample 3 PDF, I'm gonna click on open with, and instead of open with Microsoft Edge, I'm gonna go to choose another app, and on choose another app, I want to go to scroll down all the way to Word. Now, most of you probably already have Word, so click on just once. Now on Word here, let's just wait for it to load. Now it'll show up this prompt here, just click on OK. Now on OK here, you can see that Word has converted it into an editable document, right? So for example, if I don't want this to say sample PDF, I'm going to change it to say sample edited. So this is how you can edit a PDF file on your PC directly. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.